Good morning, Cam Brewer for Cam's Mortgage Minute on September 3rd. Obviously, I pre-recorded this one at the end of August, but I thought, you know what, I don't like to miss a mortgage minute, so today we'll just call it September 3rd, and this is the one that's going to play. We're going to talk about Purchase Plus improvements. That's correct. I've done videos on Purchase Plus improvements before, but I ran into a really neat situation on a Purchase Plus improvement recently. I had a young couple who was buying a house, and they were first-time home buyers. So the house purchase price was actually under $425, so the benchmark to qualify for no property transfer tax. They bought this house that needed a lot of work. Quite frankly, it basically needed an entire overhaul. We got a Purchase Plus Improvement Mortgage addition of $80,000 more. So at the end of the day, they were close to almost $500,000 on this purchase. But the neat part of it is we were able to avoid the property transfer tax because, again, the house fell below the $425 threshold. So the folks not only were able to avoid having to spend an extra $6,000, $7,000 to the government, they also got the improvements they wanted done to the house, which was awesome, and they get to live in the kind of house they want. And now some of you might be asking and saying, well, why would you want to do that now? Why not just wait till you pay the mortgage down, refinance, take out equity later? Well, the simple reason is because if you go to refinance later, you can only go to 80%. That's right. So if you buy a house, let's say for simple numbers, for $400,000, you put down, let's say 5%, $20,000, and later in 5 years when your mortgage is up, you want to do some improvements. Sorry, there's no room left because the rules will only allow you, even if the house value stayed consistently the same, $320,000 as a maximum mortgage in that house. So if you want to do improvements to a house and you're purchasing a house right now and you want to make it look the way you were hoping or add a suite in or do something else, now's the time when you're doing the purchase. That's the time we can do these Purchase Plus improvements, and they make a lot of sense at that junction. Anyway, it's Cam for Cam's Mortgage Minute. Give me a call if you're interested in that sort of program. We'd be happy to assist you and see what we can do for you on that front. It's 250-686-4246 or toll-free 1-877-686-4246. Hopefully you learned a few things about Purchase Plus improvements, and give us a shout and enjoy the rest of your day.